Greetings of the day, we Kushag of class 10th Mimosa.
Akash from class 10th Mekla.
And Ayan from class 10th Mimosa.
Are your broadcasters of the day and are we present here to update you about the happenings that took place yesterday in the world. Today is the 15th of May and the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Time for national news. AAP will be made accused in liquor policy case, probe agency tells court. Banaras Hindu University to consider UGC CSIR NET scores for PhD admission 2024. PM Modi files nomination from Varanasi. Supreme Court rejects petition to ban PM Modi from election for 6 years. Ex-Indian Army officer working with UN killed in Gaza attack. Srinagar sees record voter turnout center credits officers' hard work. CBSE port result annual psychological counseling starts. 4 hospitals in Delhi receive bomb threat emails.
Time for international news. China poses genuine increase cyber risk to UK, says spy agency chief. Chinese journalist jailed for COVID reporting in Wuhan said to be freed. Israel forces back in North Gaza battlegrounds as doubt over war. Aim grows. French climber dies after climbing world's 5th highest peak in Nepal. US to raise tariff on $18 billion of Chinese imports. Russian President Vladimir Putin to visit Beijing this week. Anthony Blinken visits Kyiv to assure US support. Majestic Sea whales appears in Argentina waters after a century. US warned a potential risk of sanctions after India-Iran signed port deal. 5 Iraqi soldiers killed in terrorist attack.
News from the sports area. Abhishek Porel, Tristan Stubbs, and bowlers keep TC's playoff hopes alive with win versus LSG. HS Pranoy, Lakshya Sen withdraw from Syed Modi International. Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy, Chirag Shetty pair goes down fighting to world number 1 Liang Wei Kang Wang Chang in China Masters final. Harmanpreet Kaur, Rita Ghosh surge in ICC Women's T20 rankings. Kylian Mbappe wins award for France's Player of the Year. Brilliant Bayer, Leverkusen stretch unbeaten run to 50. Bayern Munich goes second without Harry Kane. Arsenal grind out Manchester United win to go top of the Premier League. Paddler Manika Batra reaches career high ranking of world number 24. 4 Indian boxers march into semis at Asian U22 and Youth Championships.
That's all from us today. We will back tomorrow with a fresh update. This is Kushag Astogi
Akash Gupta.
And Ayan Danish.
signing out. Goodbye.